What happens if AI replaces Google search? Let me ask you a question. What happens if artificial intelligence replaces Google search? Think about it. For more than 20 years, when we've had a question about homework, travel, cooking, even medical advice, we've turned to Google. But today, AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Microsoft Copilot are starting to give people something very different. Instead of endless blue links, they give you one clear, human-like answer. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the twist. If AI takes over search completely, the internet as we know it could change forever. In this video, we'll explore how search got here, what changes if AI replaces Google, the dark side nobody talks about, and the surprising benefits this future could bring. Stay until the very end, because the last scenario might change the way you use the internet forever. Section 1. A brief history of search. To really understand this, we need to go back in time. In the late 1990s, search engines were messy. Yahoo, AltaVista, Ask Jeeves. They worked, but barely. Results were often random, stuffed with ads, and not very reliable. Then came Google. Their PageRank algorithm was revolutionary. Instead of just counting keywords, it measured how trustworthy a website was based on links. And boom, overnight, Google became the front door to the internet. By 2010, Google had crushed the competition. 9 out of 10 searches worldwide went through Google. For many of us, searching online simply meant Googling. But here's the catch. While the technology improved, the experience didn't really evolve. You typed in a question, got a list of links, and clicked around until you found what you needed. Even when smartphones and voice assistants like Siri showed up, it was still Google doing the heavy lifting in the background. And now, for the first time in 2 decades, something is truly threatening that model: AI-powered answers. Section 2. The rise of AI search. AI changes everything. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Copilot don't give you options. They give you answers. Let's test it. Ask Google, what's the best phone under $500? You'll get ads, blog posts, maybe a Reddit thread. You'll spend time reading, comparing, deciding. Now ask an AI the same question. It says, based on performance, battery life, and value, the best phone under $500 in 2025 is this one, and here's why. Faster, clearer, almost like talking to a tech-savvy friend. That's why people are starting to prefer AI. Perplexity, for example, has been growing like crazy because it promises answers, not ads. But if this trend continues and AI fully takes over search, the ripple effects will be massive. Section 3. If AI replaces Google search. So let's imagine a world where AI replaces Google search. Here are 5 major shifts that would happen. First, the end of link hopping. No more 10 tabs open at once. No more digging through websites. You just get the answer. Great for you, but devastating for websites that depend on traffic. Second, personalized knowledge engines. The AI doesn't just know facts. It knows you. It remembers your history, your preferences, even your diet. Ask for restaurants, and instead of showing Yelp or TripAdvisor, it recommends the one place it knows you'll love. Third, collapse of the ad model. Google makes over $200 billion every year from ads. But if people stop clicking links, those ads vanish. Or worse, AI starts weaving ads directly into its answers. Imagine asking for the best laptop and getting a recommendation that's secretly sponsored. Fourth, new gatekeepers of truth. Today, you choose who to trust: Wikipedia, BBC, Reddit. But if AI gives you one final answer, it decides what the truth is. That's enormous power in the hands of whoever controls the AI. And fifth, internet Darwinism. Websites that survive will be the ones AI considers authoritative enough to train on. Smaller blogs, independent news outlets, niche voices, they might vanish. And that's only the beginning, because if AI controls information, the risks run much deeper. Section 4. The dark side of AI search. Let's talk about the dark side. 1. Misinformation at scale. Right now, if you Google something controversial, you'll see multiple viewpoints. With AI, you get one answer. If it's wrong, biased, or manipulated, millions of people are misled instantly. 2. Hidden bias. Every AI model is trained on human data, and human data is biased. What happens if your AI truth engine leans politically or gets influenced by corporations? You'd never know. 3. Privacy invasion. For AI to be truly personal, it has to know everything about you. Your calendar, your purchases, your location, even your private conversations. Are we ready to hand over that much power? 4. The economic collapse of the web. The internet thrives on traffic. Millions of websites survive only because they get clicks from Google. If AI starves them, entire industries could collapse. Travel blogs, recipe sites, review platforms, even journalism. And 5. Filter bubbles 2.0. Social media already traps us in echo chambers. Now imagine an AI that only tells you what you want to hear. It reinforces your beliefs, hides uncomfortable truths, and makes society even more divided. In short, if AI replaces Google search, the danger isn't just fewer clicks. It's about truth, trust, and who gets to control what billions of people know. Section 5. The upside nobody talks about. But let's not only focus on the risks, because this future also has huge upsides. 1. Instant expertise. Need help with taxes? Struggling with code? Looking for medical guidance? AI could give you expert-level help in seconds, 24/7. 2. Accessibility. For people with disabilities, language barriers, or literacy struggles, AI could be life-changing. Imagine being able to talk naturally in any language and instantly get answers. 3. Time efficiency. No more hours of research. Ask, plan me a 3-day trip to Rome for under $1,000, and it's done. 4. New business models. Just like Google created SEO, AI will create new industries. AI optimization, knowledge marketplaces, micro experts training AI in specialized fields. 5. Democratization of knowledge. For billions of people who never learned how to search properly, AI could level the playing field. Everyone gets access to expert knowledge without needing to know which keywords to type. So yes, the risks are real, but the opportunities, they're revolutionary. Section 6. The future of search. So what does the future really look like? We're heading toward a world where knowledge isn't something you go searching for. It's something that's delivered, personalized, filtered just for you. But that raises the ultimate question. Who do you trust to filter your reality? Google? OpenAI? Microsoft? Governments? Or maybe a new generation of decentralized AIs that no single company can control? 5 years from now, search will look nothing like it does today. You won't be typing keywords into a box. You won't be clicking links. You'll simply ask your AI companion. And maybe, just maybe, Google will become the next Yahoo, the giant that once ruled the web until the next revolution arrived. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI over Google search? Or does that sound dangerous? Let me know in the comments. I'll be reading them all.